The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to log into your NIHB web account on the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website to review rejection codes and scenarios included on your claim statement. Please note that you can either access your statements online or receive a paper copy by mail. First, select the language in which you would like to view the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Select English or French. For the purpose of this tutorial video, let's select English. If you don't already have a web account, please watch the tutorial video NIHB website for mental health counseling providers. To access this video, click the Provider drop-down menu and select Mental Health Counseling. This will take you to the Mental Health Counseling Benefits page. Click the YouTube icon called Features for Providers to learn how to create a web account. Let's begin by logging in. Click the Login button located on the top right-hand side of your screen. You will be required to enter your username and password. Once entered, click Login. Before you can access your profile from the login page, you will be required to review the privacy notice that appears on the page by either clicking Accept or Decline. If you accept, you will be taken to your NIHB web account. If you decline, you will not be able to access your profile and submit claims online. Instead, you will be redirected to the login page. Once you pass the privacy notice, you will be redirected to a web page where you are required to undergo multi-factor authentication. You will receive an email to the email address registered to your NIHB web account. Within the email, there will be a 6-digit one-time passcode that you are required to enter in the displayed screen. Enter the 6-digit one-time passcode in the Enter One-Time Passcode field and click Submit. Once the system authenticates your passcode, you will be redirected to your NIHB web account. Please note that if you enter the wrong passcode, an invalid passcode, please try again message will appear on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will see your My Profile page. Here, your business name, first and last name, and provider number will be pre-populated in the Profile Information section. Now, we will demonstrate how you can access and read your claim statement. To access your claim statement, click the Statements button located on the left-hand menu bar. This will take you to the ESC Statement website. Please log in using your username and password. If you don't have an ESC Statement account, please watch the tutorial video, How to Create an Account to Access Claim Statements, to learn more. After you have successfully logged in, you will land on the Search for Statements page. Next, click the desired start date, then click the desired end date for your search using the calendar, or enter the start and end dates in the date range fields provided. Once you have entered the date range, click the Search button. Based on the date range you entered, all available claim statements will be displayed. Click the claim statement you would like to view. Once you open the statement, you will find a summary of your claim information. Now, let's review some common claim rejections and their corresponding response codes. The response codes and explanations are included on the last page of the paper or online claim statement. The response code is a distinct code that identifies the reason why a claim payment is being rejected. On the last page of the statement, you will find the response code explanation. The first common rejection error code we will review is R28. Claim does not match PA or a line is on hold, transferred, or denied. The claim has not been paid because the client, provider, or benefit details on the claim do not match those on the PA confirmation letter. If an error was made on your claim, there are 3 options to correct. Submit a new claim with correct information through your web account, or send a new claim form with the correct information, or make the correction on your claim statement and send to Express Scripts Canada for processing. If the PA requires an amendment because it does not match the submitted details of the claim, contact the NIHB Regional Office to request a PA amendment. The second common rejection error code we will review is R07. This is a duplicate claim. The claim has not been paid because it is a duplicate of a previously paid claim. If you have no record of a previously processed claim with the same date of service for the same client and service code, contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada for further information. If you saw the client for 2 distinct sessions on the same date of service, then you will need to submit one claim for the total hours combined. Lastly, the third common rejection error code we will review is R05. Claimant could not be verified as an NIHB client. The claim has not been paid because the claimant could not be verified as an eligible NIHB client. The verification problem may be due to the fact that the claimant A has not used their enrolled surname, given names, or date of birth, or B has made an error in specifying the client identification number. Please verify the client identification information, i.e., the client identification number, surname, given names, and date of birth entered on the claim form or web account submission matches the client information provided by the client. Once the information is updated to match the PA, the claim can be resubmitted. If the claim continues to reject R05, contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada for assistance. If the provider does not have the client's identification number, please contact your NIHB regional office. A detailed explanation of all the response codes and messages can be found in Section 8.1, Manual Claim Submission, System Codes, Messages and Explanations, located in the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit. Providers can also refer to the document NIHB Statement Explanation for Mental Health Counseling Providers, found under the Forms section of the website. Once you have finished reviewing your claim statement, you can log out of your account. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. The contact details for the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Links section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.